Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Gendis Renandia Putri. I'm a student of Taxation Study Program di Diponegoro University. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm glad to be here today. Okay everyone, the title of my presentation is Value Added Tax, or people used to call it VAT. I have 4 parts. The first talk about definition, the second about VAT object and VAT non-object, the third is VAT subject and VAT non-subject, and the last talk about VAT rates in Indonesia. Let's move to the slide. Firstly, definition value added tax. Value added tax is tax on the consumption of goods and service in the custom areas, which is imposed in the state in its production and distribution line. The imposition of VAT is greatly influenced by the development of business transaction and the consumption patterns of the people who are the objects of the value added tax. Secondly, regarding about VAT object and VAT non-object. Object value added tax. Number 1, delivery of taxable goods inside the custom area carried out by entrepreneurs. Number 2, import of taxable goods. Number 3, delivery of taxable service inside custom areas carried out by entrepreneurs. Number 4, utilization of taxable goods intangible from outside the custom area within the custom area. Number 5, utilization taxable service from outside the custom area within the custom area. Number 6, exports of taxable goods intangible by taxable entrepreneurs. Number 7, export of taxable goods intangible by taxable entrepreneurs. Number 8, export of taxable service by taxable entrepreneurs. Not value added tax objects. Number 1, types of goods not subject to value added tax. A. Mining or drilling products taken directly from the source. B. Staple goods that are needed by many people. C. Food and beverage served in hotels, restaurants, food stall, and the like, including food and beverage, whether consumed on site or not, including food and beverage delivered by catering or catering service. D. Money, gold bar, and securities. 2. Types of service not subject of value added tax. A. Medical healthy service. B. Social service. C. Mailing service with stamp. D. Financial service. E. Insurance service. F. Religious service. G. Educational service. H. Arts and entertainment service. E. Broadcasting service that are not advertising. G. Public land and water transportation service, as well as domestic air transportation service that are inseparable parts of oversized air transportation service. K. Key labor service. L. Hospitality service. M. Service provided by the government in the context of carrying out public governance. And play supply service, Parker public telephone service using coins. O. Money transfer service by postal money order. P. Catering or catering service. Next, thirdly, as you can see, actually here explain about VAT subject and VAT non-subject. Value added tax subject. Taxable entrepreneurs, namely entrepreneurs who deliver taxable goods and deliver taxable service tax under the VAT law, which in their business activities or work produces goods, imports goods, exports goods, carries out trading business, utilizes goods intangible from outside the custom area, doing business service. Not value added tax subject. Small entrepreneurs whose limits are set by the Minister of Finance, except small entrepreneurs who choose to be confirmed as taxable entrepreneurs. And finally, we are in the next part and the last in connection with VAT rates. This is important because some people still don't understand about VAT rates. Number 1, the value added tax rate is 10%. Number 2, value-added tax rate of 0% is applied to export of tangible taxable goods, export of intangible taxable goods, and export of taxable service. Okay, this is an end of my talk about value-added tax. Before I stop my presentation, let me summarize my talk about VAT. First, we talk about definition of value-added tax. Second, we talk about value-added tax object and value-added tax non-object. Third, we talk about value-added tax subject and value-added tax non-subject. And the last, we talk about value-added tax in Indonesia. In my conclusion is number 1, VAT or value-added tax is a type of tax paid and reported by the seller that has been confirmed as taxable entrepreneur. Number 2, the output tax is the VAT collected by the taxable entrepreneur sells his product. Number 3, the input tax is the VAT that is paid when a taxable entrepreneur buys, obtains, or makes a product. Number 4, VAT is a tax that is imposed on most goods and services in Indonesia custom territory. I hope the Indonesia people will immediately realize the importance of paying tax on time. Okay everyone, thank you for attention. See you next time.